Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add your GoDaddy custom domain to your Shopify store. As you can see here, I have my Shopify store open, and what I need to do is simply go to settings from the menu on the left, click on it, and then go to domains here. And here you have the domain that is automatically generated by Shopify. And here you need to click on connect existing domain. So here I need to go to godaddy.com here, and of course I need to purchase a domain. And once I have purchased a domain, go to my products here, and this is a domain that I purchased. Now copy it and then paste it right here. Next. And now I need to click on verify connection. Okay, here in order to connect the domain name to Shopify, I need to add an A record and a CNAME record right here. And what I need to do in order to successfully connect my domain name, my GoDaddy domain name, is to add this A record to the DNS records of the GoDaddy settings. So here the A record, and the name is current IP address is this, and the required value, I need to copy it. Now go to the domain here, click on DNS next to it, or you can click on manage, then go to DNS settings, and then here click on add new record. The name, the type A record, the name is Now the value, you need to paste the value that you copied, and then save your record here. And now they are updating the DNS record, and now the record is added successfully. Now go back to your Shopify store, and then click here on verify connection. And now you need to wait up to 24 hours for the connection to be complete and successful. And as you can see here, it's added, however, it's not yet connected until the verification of the connection is finished.